Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are talking about world's top 10 largest data center in the world. So let's get started. So first number in our list is the world's largest data center is China Telecom Data Center. First of all, this is also located in the Inner Mongolia Information Park. The title of the largest data center in the world is held by the China Telecom Data Center, whereas it cover a grand total of 10.7 million square foot and contains a cloud computing data center, call centers, warehouse, offices, and living quarters for staff, according to the World Data Center. So let's go to the second number in our list. The second largest is the China's Mobile Hot Data Center, which covers 7.7 million square foot and cost $1.92 billion to complete. The facility's design is modular, allowing for further expansion of necessaries. According to the World Data Center, Hohot provides concentrate network management enterprise services and research and development innovation for new technologies, including TDE, LTE, 4G networking, and clouding computing. Let's go to the third number in our list. The third number largest data center is the Citadel, built and owned by Switch. The Citadel takes advantage of the company's Hyperloop network to deliver 9 millisecond latency to Los Angeles and San Diego, with a 7 millisecond connection to the company's core facility, according to the Computer World UK. In fact, this facility is also among the most innovative in the world, with over 260 patent innovations included in its construction and operation. Fourth largest data center is Harbin Data Center, whereas by covering 7.1 million square feet, the facility owned and operated by China Mobile is one of the company's flagship operation for telecommunication data and cloud-based computing. Although Harbin consumes 150 megawatts of electricity, like most data center in China, 0% of the center's power comes from renewable sources. Fifth is Kolos Data Center. The largest data center in Europe is located in a tiny village in Norway, whereas opening in the fourth quarter of 2018, the Kolos data center will cover 6.5 million square foot across 4 stories and is being built as a hyper scalable data center with plans to consume up to 1000 megawatts of power by 2027. Next is Range International Data Center, designed to meet the exploding needs of the Chinese IT sector. The Range construction was funded by a mixture of public and private funds and was designed, built, and overseen by IBM. In fact, the structure consumes 150 megawatts of power, and since the center's completion, the portion of Langfang's GDP that comes from IT and data processing has risen above 20%, according to the Financial Times. Seventh largest data center is Switch SuperNAP. Located in Las Vegas, Nevada, the Switch SuperNAP data center covers 3.5 million square feet by providing fiber optic speed information retrieval to over 50 million customers in the USA. Nevertheless, the infrastructure required to host one of the world's largest data center. In fact, it was originally installed in Las Vegas, hundreds of miles from other technology centers by computing giant Enron. Eighth number data center is DuPont Fabros Technology. Firstly, according to Computer World UK, the facility spans 160 acres with capacity of over 10,500 servers, operating with a maximum load of 208 megawatts, whereas in June 2017, data center operator Digital Realty Trust announced plans to purchase DuPont Fabros Technology for a total sum of $7.6 billion. So second last in our list is Lakeside Technology Center. The Lakeside Technology Center is located in Chicago, Illinois, in a 1.1 million square foot building. Also, it was renovated from its original purpose as a printing house for Sears catalog and Yellow Pages phone books, whereas this center is used by multiple companies including IBM, Facebook, and CenturyLinks. In fact, this location has some of the most redundant system with around 53 backup power generators to minimize the risk of any type of outage. Last is our India's largest data center is Tulip Data Center. Firstly, it is country's largest data center covering 1 million square foot with 12,000 servers rack, whereas each supported by 100 megawatts of power. In fact, the facility was opened in 2012 and at the time was the world's third largest of its kind. The four towers were developed in partnership between Tulip Telecommunication Limited and IBM in order to service over 2000 locations in India. So these are the world's top 10 largest data centers in the world.